Hey everyone, ManOfRohan again. I know it's been a little while, but we're playing Raft tonight with my friend Iggy, or Saint Igy. He goes by a few names. And so he'll be joining, and maybe another friend as well. We'll see. We'll see if he has time to join. But we're going to try and escape sharks and grow plants and make our raft bigger. That's the most that it's happening, but... So what were you saying about Discord? You're saying now that it's labeled Discord, I think it just has some sort of... Maybe it has connections so it knows when you're on, or maybe you can integrate chat or voice some overlay or something with it, maybe?
Well, I just clicked on the icon and it took me to... I've been invited to join the Raft Discord. I don't know if it's a channel or what, but...
You know, I know that there are, like developer chats and things like that, so there's a community where that you can chat about what's coming next. Maybe that's what it is. So
yeah, there are like 35,000 people on it, so I hope it's not just a voice chat with that many people, because
there's regular chat as well. So anyway, let me make sure this is all working good. I think it is. All right, so let's load a world. I forget where we were, but I don't want to give up where we were. So
all right, yeah, we'll see how it works with the updates and stuff. So
oh yeah, I guess
because there's new tools and stuff now, which is cool. If the save updated to it, that'd be cool.
I just had a funny thought that we would be in the middle of the ocean without a raft at all, but it didn't happen. We've still got our stuff, I guess.
It's like, quick!
Oh, yeah. You were in the raft. Okay.
Am I?
You were. No, you're not. You jumped out, I guess. Is that a candle or is that a message in a bottle?
It's a candle in a bottle.
Oh, it's a metaphorical message in a bottle?
Candle in a bottle, baby.
I was actually thinking of the Sting song. The message in a bottle. That one.
I don't know that one.
Yeah, message in a bottle. Sting. I don't know what else to say except that. That's what he did. I need some water.
Oh shoot! Well,
did you just take it out?
I did.
I don't desperately need water. If you need it.
No,
I was just going to plant some potatoes.
Need it either, so I'm glad you didn't desperately need it, because I would have felt like a jerk.
Something went wrong. So let me plant. We need to plant more things.
These darn walls. This ship is going too fast. I'm taking down the sail. I'm like,
no.
I can't.
I just threw my cup out in the water. Okay. Oh, shoot. I think I have some plastic. I'll see if I can build one.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, there's some better stuff. But maybe that's what we had already gotten. I don't want to start from the beginning, but I would like to see what's new. That's a throw blanker. Oh, containers. Oh, I can... Yeah, I can make one easily.
It's supposed to be a bow and arrow. I don't know if we have to research that or not, though. Oh, yeah, okay.
Yes, we do. Oops, I took your chicken.
No, that's fine. I put it on there. So I figured you'd need it. It's actually seagull. I should have waited till... Oh, good. No, it's seagull.
Oh, is it? Well, I guess we don't have any chickens. You're right. Okay, what's... Anything out there? There's some... No islands, really. There's a really big... Like... R to rotate smoothly. I want that, whatever that is. We just passed.
Barrel.
Oh, missed it.
Oh yeah, we got these nets. Or that net.
Yeah, see? Rotate smoothly this way. Let's get this here. Don't even try and get my... There we go. Oh, I guess it was just this. Oh no. We are moving pretty fast. Maybe I should take this up.
Sail.
That slows us down. Okay, I need water again. I didn't actually drink it last time. Where are you, shark? I'm imagining he's about to come get us, but I haven't actually even seen him.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Did we glitch out of a shark?
Yeah, I wonder if starting... Oh no, there he is. I see him.
Oh yeah.
He's hunting. Oh, come on. We want to kill you. Come back. Come back. You know you can... Oh, I thought he was coming for it. It looked like he was coming after us. Come on. I need some shark meat. And I'm too afraid to jump in the water after you.
Here he comes, here he comes. Oh. Game froze on me.
Oh. Oh, phew.
Well,
He didn't drop out.
what the heck?
I missed some shark meat. Oh, he's still out there.
Oh, he's dead. Oh,
Can you get that? What are you trying to get?
I was just trying to hold the boat in place. Don't move the sail. So there won't be a shark right now, so we're free to swim out here.
We'll go for... Oh, no. Oh, that... Wow, okay, that's freaky.
Where are you?
I just swam down because the shark meat that I was supposed to have gotten dropped into the water.
Oh, no, it floats.
Well, I don't know
It's
where.
gonna swim around and pick up all this debris. I wish we were near an island right now. It'd be a good time to get scrap.
Yeah, and I have like no room, so let me see if I need to make another container, I guess. Can I make a bigger one? Yes,
we can
I can.
research it. Do we have that?
We did, and I wasted. I probably should have used that for something a little more important. But
What do you need it for? What do we need for it? I was just wondering what we need to make it. Might have enough. Alright, I'm gonna come back before that darn shark. Oh, there's the seagull.
Man, I got some good stuff in here, really. Scraps and those and wood. Don't know why I had 2 slots for plastic. Do you need to get this meat?
Go ahead. You can...
Oh, I was just, if you wanted it, I was gonna... Where is the rope? There it is. Alright. I feel like we need another torch.
Do we even have one torch?
We have a couple of these fires. These are so close together, though. It's like, I need some room. Oh, nice. That's much better. It feels a lot better.
Yeah.
good. You got some shark meat. I did not. I wish I could... If I remove this, can I... It looks like it can... I wonder if it just goes away, or if I... Oh, no, you can just move it.
What's
Nice.
that, the wall? You can pick that up? Nice.
No, the sail.
Oh. Huh.
Awesome. I want to put it up higher.
Yeah, you
So
can
it's
put
just-
it up there.
Yeah,
Should
just so
make
it's
more.
not in the way.
We could make one floor out.
That's what I was thinking of, to have it like towards the middle still, but
Oh, there's a raft. Off to the... Oh.
how can I not make more nails? Oh, see?
Shark back. Shark is back.
He seems to be swimming faster. Oh, I picked it all up. Glad I had room for it. Rotate smoothly. Okay, let's move some of the stuff in there. Plastic, pineapple.
There's an island over yonder, too.
Uh-oh.
Jump, jump. Jump, jump. I got it.
Good, because I was like, I'm stuck. I can't get anywhere.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Looked like. Wait, onward to Yawn Island. Yawn Island. That's how they talk at sea.
I ran out of wood. That's okay. Wonder if we can put this up there. I think we need a couple more. Feels a little too dangerous to try and come around here and then steer. Ooh, island. It's already going that way. Good.
I guess maybe you didn't hear me?
I didn't hear you that time. I mean, second time I did, but before that I did not.
Should make more of these net
Ooh.
picker upper things.
I got an intermediate something. I got
Like a medal or something?
achievement of some sort. What else can I? Oh, I see. Can't research that. Oh. I researched
If we're going to
stone.
be able to get up on that island.
Can't research that. Oh, jeez. Almost. Can we... I think I might be able to... Can we... You didn't throw an anchor, did you?
No, I don't have an anchor.
If we can go a little closer, we can jump from this side. We can kind of spin it around. I think we might need...
Not sure how we can spin it.
I was thinking we could... Yeah, we've got to do that. Yes. Can you turn it so it's going towards me, the sail?
I think we're gonna pass sailing. We'll see.
That's why we need to... Okay, now let's cut it, cut it. Oh, sure.
Oh, sure. Cut it. Oh, I got a drink.
Oh, well, that broke.
Shark!
Jerk face. Oh, sheesh, I need to eat. I took the shark.
Sorry, I had just grabbed that.
No, that's fine.
Had to run back.
Crap. And I can't make a paddle. I don't have enough planks. We could paddle back there.
There's my almost broken paddle.
Can you turn that so it's going this way towards me? Yeah. It's like we're stuck.
Well, it'll keep us. Yeah, I don't know. Short of building something to get up there.
Yeah, this is bugs.
We might be able to jump on that fence or that here. Yeah, I'll try to get us over there.
Well, that hurt.
Did it?
No. That'd be funny if it did. Okay, I think...
Did you fall in the water?
Yes, I did. Uh-oh. I drank salt water.
Oh, yeah, that'll get you.
Yep, that really helped a lot. Good job, Wilson. Ooh! I got up here.
Oh, okay. Well, I better keep us here then.
So, I'm not gonna have enough room. Well, if I run out of room, I'll...
You have this chest down here that you built.
I know, but I was so interested in getting up here to... I forgot to drop some stuff off.
Well, just throw stuff down here.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. I swear this tree grew. Uh-oh. I need water.
Sounds
Okay, that scared
you got hit by a
poop
shark.
out of me.
Shark get you?
Okay, well, I got a little wood.
Okay. I'm gonna dive in the water because I need to get some sand.
Oh, yeah, I got a little wood.
So don't leave me. I mean,
Hey, you're not supposed to be able to do that. Man, it is just not going. Oh, did you throw an anchor down?
nope.
Oh,
Oh wow, my health is like I didn't even see my health.
Yeah. What's it look like?
Seems to come back fairly quickly, but...
Okay, let's take this off. I'm going to go place it. Uh-oh. Oh, I have it. Good. Never
What
mind.
happened?
No, we're good. I thought I had lost the sail. But I didn't.
Oh, yeah, where's the sail?
It's up here. Nice. Okay, so, and these surprisingly hard to harvest potatoes.
They
Can I
watered?
plant? What? Well, it was hard to, yeah. They grew, I just couldn't pull them out of the ground.
Ah,
I need water soon, too. Do you need this food? I'm about halfway down.
no, go ahead. Yeah. I'm pretty good.
Oh, I ate the raw potato. Great.
Look
Well
how-
done.
I think that's okay for you. It just doesn't give you a whole lot. There's a couple barrels up there. Oh, spear broke.
Oh, junk face. How do I repair it?
Grab that barrel.
Oh, there it is.
Barrel. Grab the barrel. Oh, I'll grab the barrel.
I got a barrel. Where are you? Where are you?
Yeah, there were two.
I'm gonna fix this because it's almost dead. What? I have. Oh, there we go. What a waste of wood. Oh well. Hopefully he attacks that one again. And not any of the other ones. We need to have a place that is gathering like rainwater or something.
Yeah, there's a better... There's one that's like, it uses glass. We have to make... glass. Need to gather. I need more supplies.
Oh, our raft is looking pretty good. It's funny, like I haven't done a lot of gathering except for, you know, just a few times. And that's like all we did for the first like hour of the game.
Yeah.
It's a microcosm. Cook, place raw, eat cooked. Okay. Man, potatoes stink for food. I wish we could like mix them with something.
Yeah. Yeah, so they can make like a stew or something. Oh, maybe I'll probably add. It's got to add something. Vegetables just aren't good. It's not all they're made up to be.
Yeah, they're good for you if you like work a desk job.
Yeah,
Vegetables.
this ain't no desk job.
But if you're constantly burning calories, you need things heavier. Come here, plastics. I need wood more than plastic, though. Oh, that was worthless. Ooh. There's a barrel over there. Are you coming this way? Did you already turn it this way? No, I will.
I don't think it's. Is it going? No, it is.
There we go. There's a long trail of stuff that way, so I'm just turning us this way.
I wonder if there's any benefit to having multiple sails.
I don't know, but I wish I could have stabbed that shark.
Yeah.
Swimming by.
I guess you can shoot them with a bow and arrow.
Oh, well, it's a good thing I'm... Why are we not going anywhere?
So you have the
I have the...
sail going against the...
Yeah, why don't you quit making sense?
I don't know. Sometimes I can't help myself.
That's funny. That was real good, Jeremy. I mean, ManOfRohan. All right. Oh, that was perfect. Only got one. I wanted a bunch more. Come to me. Run, 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 run.
Now we're gonna go super fast.
Come back, come back. Oh, no.
Sounds like a shark.
No, 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 no. Go away. Oh.
Oh,
Shoot.
I was too late.
Oh, that's not... I need different. There we go.
But to answer a question that you keep asking.
I need wood. You're about... What? You were about to answer a question I keep asking?
Yep. What are those bricks for?
Oh. No, come back, wood.
I got it.
Oh, did you? Well, bully for you. Man, I need more wood. Did I get rid of all my rope, too? No, I just have it there. I need to just pay attention. I don't know why I'm having some... What?
It's like it
Hungry?
warped on me. That was weird. Some lag effect.
Oh, shoot. They're moving way too fast. I figure I can move these. Ooh, yes. I don't know why I placed planks in there. Great, Wilson. You had nothing else to put in. What did I think I was doing?
I don't know.
Oh,
I
Storm
know
Pineapple says they're for making dry bricks to make a furnace. Thanks, smart pants.
Not the dry bricks. You put you dry bricks on the.
Yeah, but Storm Pineapple, who was my son, Storm Pineapple.
I'm making some goo.
Okay. I don't know what that means, but more power to you.
You melt it down in the furnace.
You're making goo.
Yep.
Okay.
It's seaweed goo.
To consume, or is it like a adhesive?
It's like, yeah, an adhesive.
Hey, get out of the way.
Oh,
I think you're doing
raft.
Raft?
Yep,
Oh, yeah.
there's a raft.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Oh, whoops. I won't get it. The moonlight's really nice. I mean, creepy, but nice.
The moon?
Yeah. Feels like we're in Castaway, the movie.
Yeah, we should be able to get a volleyball.
That'd be fun. Fur some leather.
Or you could get in the ocean and I could say, Wilson! You could be the volleyball. Be the volleyball.
Oh, here we go. We're getting close. Let me finesse this. Oh, yeah. Man, I should...
I think I see an island over yonder too. Why are these so hard to jump up on? Oh, well, I'm not gonna make it.
Got
Yeah.
it.
Got it. See, where did I see the island? I think I saw one.
Yeah, see, I can't stab him. Come back. Come on,
Whoa,
shark.
come on, shark. Did we just turn?
Um,
I wonder, we must have bounced off the raft.
where should we be going?
I don't see it anymore.
4 degrees.
Maybe I
Starboard.
didn't see it. Hurrah! Shark!
Oh, yep. Take that. This is a kid's show, so I won't say butt munch. Oh, shoot, I just said it. The vine goo is for making bottles and oxygen tanks. I think there's a little researcher in the room looking up stuff.
And bow. We can make a bow with it.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Did you say okay to me? I'm not sure that it sounded like almost like a joke.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, okay. Let's plant a beet. Oh, pick up cooked beet. I think it's probably once more. Oh, we are flying. I think it's probably once more that we'll kill the shark, or, you know, drive him off, that we'll get meat.
Yeah, probably. There's an island. I'll get it. It's not one that we're gonna really. It's really just there for diving. We should make an anchor. So there's a permanent anchor that we can just drop and lift up anytime. That's pretty nice.
That would be nice. Oh, I just missed it. I do see something. Iceberg, right ahead.
Yeah, it's kind of like that, but there won't be anything on it. It's just underwater, but I want to get some more scrap and ores,
Okay,
or like metal ore.
that'd be good. I've run out of nails. Ooh, pick up vine goo. No, thank you. Fresh water. Water the crops. We need a better, purifier. I'm assuming we just need to research one.
Yeah, we need to melt sand.
What happened to this vine goo?
Glass. I picked it up.
Oh, what'd you put in
some
there?
metal ore in there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I wish it were daytime.
Oh, well. That's broken. That creeped me out. The shark almost got me, yeah.
Oh, good, it's daylight. Alright, I'm diving.
Okay, I'm ready to laugh at you getting killed by the shark.
Did you hear it?
No, I just am afraid of it. I didn't, and we're weirdly not moving that far away, so...
No, that's good. Yeah, because I have the... Oh, don't die. Ah! Sure, he was right there. I know I could feel him.
It's like when I was younger, and I would be at my grandparents' house, and I'd book up the stairs because I was sure there was something about to just get my legs, as I'm running up the stairs.
Yeah.
I wish I could just... Can I chop this? These... I should have never put these on. I don't want to waste my... Ugh, no, I don't want to waste my axe. There's barely any left to it. I'm going to tilt this towards some surf. We learned hinge.
Alright, yeah, I don't... Be nice when we can get, make flippers, because we can swim a lot faster. Shark! Oh, come on. I can bait him, but then as soon as we hit him, he swims away.
Oh, that's bogus. I wasted it. Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, it hit the crap.
So
It actually hit the bottom of the thing.
Oh, yeah.
I actually expected that to not happen at all. There's some sand at the bottom of the what?
Now, once we get sand, we need more sand to make... Now we can make, a distiller with water. Or we won't need to use wood. Once we make that thing, but we need more sand to make glass, to make that thing.
Trying to move some stuff over here. No storage. Feathers. You been killing some seagulls? I haven't seen any, actually, weirdly.
Yeah, I saw one flying, but I think, see, if we're near this, they won't come and attack our
Okay.
plants if we're near it. So I think we're just too close to it usually.
I don't want to put this stuff right on the edge because I don't want the old shark to come and get it. Mango seeds. Get some flowers. Oh man, I'm organizing. It's not good.
Oh yeah, we should get a large planter.
That's why I was opening up some space so we weren't running over and we could have it in the sun over there. Nope. One of these days, shark, I'll be able to stab you from the side as you swim by. Have you seen that, the Meg movie preview?
Yeah.
For the Megalodon?
Yeah.
It actually kind of I'm not normally a big monster. Oh, we have a shark head. I'm not normally a big monster film liker, but it looked pretty interesting. Or scary, really, when it comes down to it. Why are there two potatoes there? Makes no sense. Just stack where I have the stack. I mean, this is a... Oh, man. I need to eat and drink. I'm glad that...
Shark.
Where?
Coming up behind. Oh,
Come on.
it's not for sure this time.
My steak broke. Survival.
Wait, you've had steak this whole time and you've been keeping it from us?
Ooh, I can't make it a nice spear. I need a metal ingot. Ah, I don't have enough planks? Really?
There's a whole bunch coming up.
How do I... That's bogus.
Here, I'm gonna... Oh, I need food.
Oh.
Coming up behind. Oh, it's not for sure this time. Wait, you've had steak this whole time and you've been keeping it from us?